how to sign PDF in Google Drive. So first go to Google Drive and then just look for your PDF. So for example, this is my PDF here. Just right click on it and then click on open with, and then you'll see suggested apps here. So let's say I'm going to use Lumin PDF, or you can use DocHub if you want. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, now let's just wait, and then your PDF will be open here. So next is just click on fill and sign here, and then click on signature, and then click on add signature. Then here you can just draw a signature here. So let's say I'm going to draw something like this, and then click on save. Okay, and then just paste your signature here, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.